Yes, congratulations to me for my first 100% recurring rapid profit machine pro sale. Oh yeah. It took 18 days, so less than 3 weeks since I first bought RPM Pro, and this is the first time I sell a pro license also. And you know, when you are pro, when you sell a pro, you get 100% commission. So that means it pays for your own pro membership. And if this sale continues to be pro, and why not, then it's enough for me to pay my own. But I will add more and more, and then it will be only profits from here if I have more people taking the RPM Pro. But of course, RPM Pro is like the cherry on the cake, because the money you make with rapid profit machine, mainly for me, it's about builderall, recurring income, because everybody who use rapid profit machine, even if they are not pro, they need a builderall account, and then they take builderall, and you are the affiliate, so you earn commission, recurring monthly commission on their builderall account, which I have to pay also. But this is already free for me because I have referred many people to Builderall, so I earn more in commission than what costs me my own Builderall account. This has been a long time already. But for RPM, it's another way to get people into Builderall, and I have several already with RPM, but it's the first time that I also sell RPM Pro membership. So that's what I celebrate today. It's been 18 days since I bought RPM Pro myself. So it's good because it didn't take a month. But now I feel like it would be even better if I could have one more every week. Let's get crazy. One every week would be so nice. But of course, I don't mind because it's not the first sale I make as RPM Pro. I made a few days after I bought it, I made a sale about another product, but it was a small product, $7, so I get 100% on these two, and that's it. So for RPM Pro, it was not really good so far, but now it's good because it had paid, so it's like I paid nothing for RPM Pro so far, and then next sale will be profit. So of course I detailed my process in a document, so I will write it down this sale today. But in my process, I first bought RPM Pro and then I invested in traffic, paid traffic. So on the 3rd of July, now we are what, 21, 21st? I don't know exactly, but on the 3rd of July, I took RPM Pro and I invested about $970. So total, it was well, I don't remember exactly, but it was $1,000 I put in paid traffic in two sources. One is solo ads from RPM directly from here. That's a product that I could earn commission on if people buy traffic from the RPM machine. Then I would get the commission recurring also if they take recurring, whatever. So I took this and also another paid traffic, which was a bit of crap traffic, but a lot of traffic. It's from AdFly. So I put the numbers in my document. I will add this sale and make a report. I think when it will be 1 month. So on the 3rd of August, I will do a video to give the result what I have. Finally, I hope there will be more sales. So that's it for this video. If you want yourself to take a rapid profit machine, you go in the description of this video, there is a link. You will come to this page. So very easy, your automated money machine is ready for activation. Final step, confirm your email below. You put your email, you click on the button, and then the next page you will have the video from the creator of RPM, and then you follow the instruction if you want, and you will get your Builderall account and import your RPM into your Builderall account. Follow the tutorial and video and take RPM Pro if you want. I advise you to get RPM Pro in the same process, I mean the same day. So you take Builderall, you take RPM Pro, so you install RPM Pro on your Builderall account. It will be better because then you get 100% commissions. If not, you get 50% commissions. But if you do this, it's because you know it will work. So then it's better to get 100% commissions. And as I said, you can see me. I'm not doing a crazy amount of profit so far, but in 3 weeks, so I've been patient and confident because I know it works. I know it works if you send traffic to your machine. This is, of course, required. You cannot just install it and wait for a magic things to happen. You need to send traffic to it always for the rest of your life, in fact. So there are many ways to send traffic. You have passive traffic when you produce content on YouTube and things like this, or you can pay traffic. Me, I did both. I did YouTube videos, very easy to do. And maybe this sale, I don't know where it come from. That's the problem because I don't track enough at the moment. So I don't know where it came from. I can ask the person because I have her email address, but I don't want to bother them so far. It's okay. I don't mind. I do both anyway. We know that we have to send traffic, so just send traffic. And maybe later I will try to find out if I make, I don't know, 10 sales, then I will try to find out where they came from, and so I can focus on this source of traffic. But at the moment, I don't care. I just send traffic to it, and what sticks is good. Anything is good. So you go to the link in the description, you put your email, you follow the step. You can contact me, let a comment or whatever. If you need help, I'm okay to help you because I don't have many people under me. So you can ask me. I have installed it, so I know how to do it. It's easy. I like these topics of discussion, money making, RPM, and everything like this. So talking about it is not a problem for me. If I'm free, we can have a chat about it and many things. Okay, bye bye.